don't know who it is. Oh, I'm going to angle myself. How are you all doing today? I am Lisa from Sew Arty. So pleased to meet you and nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. And I thought I'll start filming myself because why not? I didn't really want to do filming myself. I'm a bit nervous about that myself. This is a lovely video I'm going to do for you today from an unboxing from a company called Beebeecraft. They sent me a package a couple of days ago and I thought, hey, I'm just going to open it, unbox it, and I'm so looking forward to it. Really getting down to, actually I don't know if you can hear my bins are being collected, so I'm sorry about the noise. It's my craft room. It's a tiny bit messy, to be fair. I do live in a little bit of a clutter fest here, and I've got material everywhere. You can't see it, thank the Lord. You can't see it because it is a mess. So, but welcome to my channel. But today you're going to be watching this hopefully lovely video about looking at how I'm unboxing this lovely video from Beebeecraft. So I'm just going to go for it. This one came through. This one was in the packaging. This one. I'm going to unbox this one. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. I'm not quite sure at all. When I ordered it, I thought, oh, I've got some plans for it. I might actually make, I don't know what I'm going to make. I don't really work with anything else other than fabric and cards and stuff. I don't. So beads is a new thing for me. So it's quite interesting. I'm so pleased that I can be doing this for Beebeecraft. So please watch my video. I'm just going to put the music on in a minute and you then can see me unboxing it. Yeah, here's my unboxing of Beebeecraft, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to try and do the bracelet because that looks quite fun. But I actually can't wait. I'm so excited today because I had my also my Apple Pen's been delivered, and I had a problem with it, and I've got a new one coming, and I've got to send the old one back. So I'm so excited about that because I think I probably will do some drawing and incorporate these charms into my drawing. So that will be exciting. So you will be able to see what I do with that. So I do like my Apple Pen. So anyway, I won't go on anymore, but thank you for watching my video today, and please come back next time. So bye for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love my videos, and you'll be kept up to date with all my new videos that come out every week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.